Welcome to KZ Mobile, your go-to source for the latest in mobile technology. In today's video, we're going to explore the Infinix Hot 60, a budget-friendly device packed with features that you won't want to miss. Let's dive right in. Design and display. The Infinix Hot 60 features a sleek, modern design with a large, vibrant 6.7-inch Full HD Plus display. The phone's slim profile and curved edges provide a comfortable grip, while the 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and gaming. Whether you're watching movies or playing games, this display provides excellent visuals that enhance your overall experience. Performance. Under the hood, the Infinix Hot 60 is powered by a robust MediaTek chipset, ensuring solid performance for daily tasks, multitasking, and light gaming. Coupled with ample RAM and storage options, it offers seamless navigation and quick app launches. This makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking for an affordable yet capable smartphone. Camera capabilities. On the camera front, the Infinix Hot 60 is equipped with a 50-megapixels main sensor, delivering sharp, detailed photos in well-lit conditions. It also includes an AI-powered camera system that enhances color accuracy and clarity. For selfie lovers, the 8-megapixels front camera captures vibrant shots, making it ideal for social media posts. Battery life. Battery life is another highlight of the Infinix Hot 60, featuring a massive 5000 mAh battery. With moderate use, the phone can easily last a full day, and when it's time to recharge, the 33W fast charging ensures you won't be waiting long. This combination makes it a reliable companion for all-day use. Software and features. Running on the latest version of XOS, the Infinix Hot 60 offers a smooth and user-friendly experience. XOS brings a range of customization options, including a dark mode, privacy features, and smart gestures, allowing users to personalize their phone to suit their needs. Conclusion. Infinix Hot 60 proves that you don't need to spend a fortune for a well-rounded smartphone. With its impressive display, capable performance, and long-lasting battery, it delivers great value for money. If you're in the market for an affordable yet powerful device, the Infinix Hot 60 should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching this review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more mobile tech reviews from KZ Mobile. See you in the next video.